Hey guys, this is Renee Parham over here at Spontaneous Garden, and I'm getting ready to harvest some potatoes for the first time. So I'm really excited. I'm scared, and I just want to see what I'm gonna have in here. It's almost like I keep hearing everyone saying it's fun because you're digging for more and to see what you got and all of that. So I just looked in my notes last night and realized these has been in here for over 100 days. So it's definitely time. These are some Yukon Gold in here, and in this container here. That time went by so fast, but anyway, I'm getting ready to go ahead and start pulling out. I really don't need, I'm trying to see what I need to do. I don't even know really, but make sure you guys let me get the pulling. I had brought something else over here to um, dump the dirt in, I believe is what I need to do. Oh, let me see. Guess I can put some of this in here. Or, I don't know, maybe I just should take this whole pot and dump it. Let me try that and see if that will be better, and just try to dump it here in this wheelbarrow. Okay. Oh, I see one. These are cicadas, boy. Okay, these are Yukon Gold, and I planted them on 219. So yeah, I think, oh, I see a couple, but they look really, really small. So let's get to digging so we can see what we got. Nothing down here. Oh, oh, here's a little bitty one. There's a little bitty one. And so far, here's another one. Oh, here's a, oh, wait a minute. Here's a nice size one on here. Oh, I think I'm tearing them off too fast. Yeah. Okay, here's one. Here's another one. And oh, this one is kind of mushy, so I don't know about that one. Hope I didn't leave them in there too long. Okay, here's one. Here's one. Here's the one. Here's another one. Another one. Oh, here's one. Okay, there's a little baby one. Here's another little baby one. really not that many out of all of these here from this pot here. So I'm gonna move over here to the other container and see what I can get from there. I guess I can try this next, pull this one up. Oh. Nice size. Well, a couple more. This container is a lot bigger than that first container. Now I'm wondering if this one here, if this is the one I originally planted. It's a little bit darker than the other one. Now this is my first time planting these. So I'm not sure about this one. I think that I'll put it in there, but I'm not sure if I can eat that one or not. A little bitty one. That's good. This is pretty cool. Got a bunch of little bitty ones. But they'll eat too. Look like some ants is in here. Ugh. Ugh. They look like ants. Ooh, pour that too hard. Ooh. Ooh. I don't see. Ooh. I think an ant just bit me. Ooh. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I may have to around a little bit more and see, because this has got a lot of ants in here. And I'm thinking I need to just dig from here, I believe. With all these ants in here, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to continue to Okay guys, I had to stop yesterday because ants were in one of the containers and I got bit by an ant, and so I'm gonna start in this next one. I just dumped it in here and see what I can get. This is what it's looking like so far. So I am gonna put my gloves on and start digging in this wheelbarrow to see how many potatoes. This one look well, it's really not that big, but it's a little bit bigger than some of the other ones. So I'm gonna get my gloves on and try to figure out how to get some of this done. And I'm sure you guys don't want to watch me dig through this dirt, but I guess I can go ahead and at least get the ones that is right here on top. Those are not too bad. And this is kind of rotten looking. I think these are the ones that I used to plant the potatoes, I believe. So I just guess I can, I'm not sure if I can replant these, or this is kind of mushy, so it's just gonna go. And then I heard Sweet Vine Tomato said that these potato top leaves are poison, I believe. So I'm not even sure if I can put them in the compost. So I will be researching that later today. If I can, I'm over here hiding from these cicadas. So yeah, that's mushy looking. So that's just gonna go in the trash, I guess. Okay, here's a little small one. Here's something else that's kind of smushy looking. Just throw that in there. But yeah, after those ants tore me up and I had gloves on, so I was like, dang, I'm beginning to wonder if this garden stuff is, if I'm gonna be able to withstand all the insects. So I do have some flower beds on the slope that I think I'm gonna reuse some of this dirt, because this is really good dirt, and I may reuse some of it on that slope. So anyway, I will continue to got one more container there. So after I go and unload this, I think this is probably all I can find in here, but I will continue to dig, and then I will come back and see what I got. I was hoping this was gonna really be fun, but after I got bit by those ants yesterday, I'm scared to continue to dig in this one. So they may if it's in the potatoes in there, they may, I don't know what I'm gonna do about this one. So I may come back to it later, because I'm sure it's some potatoes in there, but I'm just like, I don't know. But yeah, I need to get me some of those gloves that's got the long sleeves to them. Surely they won't be able to bite through that. So I'm going to continue to dig here, see what I can come up with. Uh, that's just a little tiny one. I don't fool with that. So I will pick you guys back up after I get everything harvested. Okay. Thank you guys so much for uh, just hanging out with me through this journey as I learn and just beginning to really get started. So I have learned a lot from just watching other YouTubers do their thing, and it just really inspired, it really inspired me to start this channel. And my family, they just love it. But so right now I don't have that many subscriptions, and not many people have watched my video. So I am working on trying to figure out ways to improve that and just share this journey as I learn, and hopefully it can inspire someone or help someone else to start their own garden, like my neighbor in the back of me. I don't know if you can see it here. Zoom in and see that aluminum. Uh, she's got some tomatoes in it, so I was encouraged about that when I saw that. And so hopefully she and I can talk garden. And my other neighbor over here in the White House, she had a big garden. She had a big garden built up on her slope. But for the last 2 seasons, she hasn't been doing anything. So I'm not sure if she's taken ill or what, because I haven't seen her. So it's always nice to have somebody to be in this with you together. And I've given a lot of the neighbors lettuce and some strawberries, and I had all those sunflowers over there that I was really trying to get rid of, and my neighbor took some of those, so I was happy about that. And I got another girlfriend that I'm going to give these all of those lined up right there. I'm going to give her those. So yeah, let me go ahead, because I've got to fertilize today. And so I'm going to go ahead and try to finish up getting these potatoes harvested so I can do some fertilizing. Okay.